Good YouTube back with another video. A little early today, bro. So, 8:50. That race was tough, boy. You about the RS out there, see what we could put in. Some work.
You gonna run the Beamer or what?
Yeah, bro. Trying to run you too, bro. A little fun run.
I'm down.
Yeah,
you know.
How you been, bro? Good?
Good, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
He just raced this guy right now, so.
Who took the dub?
The Beamer.
The Beamer? By a lot?
By a little bit.
A little bit? Yeah, he's trying to bet some money on it, but I'm more like, have some fun, you know? Yeah. Cool.
I want to see you two go. I feel like you two would be a good up.
Yeah, he's extra too, so it should be fun. You good that BMW? Yeah. Your little bird? 548. Oh, that's a 548? I think he's extra.
I'll let you run him first and then we'll go.
Yeah? Alright, bro. Probably just pull down for a bit, then I'll run you, bro.
Yeah, Beamer wants to run me, and then I'll probably run the Audi. Nico wants to run me, but he wants me to give him like 3 cars.
Yeah, I don't know. How was it, bro? No, he took it up.
Nah, he won.
Yeah?
Yeah. He got me probably by about 2 cars.
2 cars?
Yeah, he was pretty quick.
Yeah, that's fire, bro. I know you been putting in that work though, bro, and you heavy too.
Yeah.
Bro, you did the roll. That shit was good, bro. That shit was good.
Oh yeah.
It's a good ass one, bro. Man, you came to the rolls yesterday?
No, I didn't come on.
No. What up, brother? How you doing, my boy? Good. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yes, sir. Memo,
nice to meet you, bro.
Yo, what's up?
It's
Dylan, bro. What's up, bro?
Yeah, bro. What's up, the extra?
Yeah.
You trying to run this in, bro?
Yeah. That's why I think it's gonna be a good run, you know?
Yeah.
Because yours is all-wheel drive too, huh?
Yeah, all-wheel drive.
Yeah. I just ran right now, so we could just let it cool down a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Let it cool down for a bit.
Yeah, let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll get a little run.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty good.
Yeah, what happened? I seen you had like a different car on your page, bro. What happened to that one?
Oh, I got rid of my Mustang and I got this one not too long ago.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, a couple months ago.
You switched to the platform, the BMW platform?
Yeah.
How you like it so far, bro? You like it?
I love it, bro. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah?
The Mustang just, like, it was a nice car. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? How are you? Good. What's up, bro?
Chilling, bro?
Good, how are you?
Good. Chilling.
But compared to, like, the Mustang, this one feels like fucking nice.
What's up, my man? Yeah?
Fucking solid, luxurious, fucking...
Yeah, it's like you get fast and look good at the same time, huh? What year is this, bro?
It's 17.
2017?
Yeah.
Oh, sure, we're about the same. Mine's 2018. Oh, okay. You look hella calm, though, huh? It looks like hella like stock.
Looks stock, huh?
Yeah, with like all the boosts and shit. That's good, bro.
It has intake. It has just like some basic ass shit, bro. It has fucking downpipe intake and tune.
Oh yeah?
There you go, bro. You got some new shit. Yeah, the new intake is putting in work, bro. It sounds good.
It looks good.
It sounds good. Yeah, it sounds like it's like, you know, a lot of air and shit.
That's good. Stage 1, stage 2?
Stage 2. Stage 2 is with the downpipe, so that would be like stage 2.
Okay, that's fire, bro. Nah, it should be a good ass run, bro.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I'm stage 2 as well.
Stage 2?
Yeah,
that's gonna be
you're on
good.
E85, bro?
Yeah, I'm on E40.
E40, okay. I didn't test mine, but I think I'm on E85. I don't know.
Oh, you're on full E?
Maybe, bro. I don't know if the ROG. I haven't tested the ROG.
It's like 83.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm on
So you're on 80. You're on 83.
Yeah, but then I also mixed it because I also had the other type of gas, like from
91.
Like not 91. Another E85, but it's from a different gas station, but it only like close to 65%.
Yeah, those are like 60, 65.
Yeah, barely passable, bro, just for my car, but yeah. Nah, yeah, but cool down for a bit, then we'll run it, bro.
Hell yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, I've been wanting to run your GTR, bro, for a minute.
What do you run quarter for real?
The YouTube videos, bro. Like,
what is it?
It was looking kind of high, bro. I ran like 11 point something.
So I think mine was, my best, I won't lie, was 11.2.
11 something?
11.2, low 11.
11.2? Yeah. It should be a good run, bro. That's just like reaction time at this point, just, you know? We're about the same then, bro.
If I get tiny, like last time with that Camaro, I think I'd be goosey.
Yeah?
That Camaro, fucking, I got it right off the
bat?
Gone.
Nah, yeah, it should be a good run, bro. You're all-wheel drive too, yeah?
Yeah.
We're both, yeah, so it should be a good run. We're both like, how much is your car? How much is your car worth?
I'm like 3,200 to 3,300 pounds.
I think you're a little lighter. Close enough, though.
Is it? I thought yours was lighter.
I'm 3,500. 3,500.
I feel like I probably don't even know my own specs.
Nah, it should be a good run, though, bro.
Because last time I looked, when I raced the blue CTSV, she was only like a couple more pounds.
Oh, yeah? Alright, check it, bro. Nah, it should be good. Good run at the end of the day, though, bro.
I'm at 3,900 pounds.
Oh, 3,900 pounds? Okay, I'm like 35 then, bro. You don't got any, you haven't gutted it out or anything? No?
Downpipe tune, that's it, bro. I'm pump gas.
Yeah. You're still fast though, bro, just for that.
I get out the line quick, I will say that.
Yeah, exactly. So it should be a fun ride, bro. I've been trying to race you just because I've been trying to get some content in, bro, for the Ylr'S or just like that. Regardless if I lose.
I can't lose though, bro.
Nah, if you win, I'm gonna still post it, bro. You came to Road yesterday, bro?
No, I didn't go.
No.
I was at a wedding.
Oh yeah?
We got married yesterday.
You got married, bro? Congrats, brother.
Appreciate you,
bro.
appreciate you.
Okay, that's dope, bro.
Yeah, they hit me up. Somebody hit me up. They're like, "Hey, you coming out?" And I was like, "No, I'm not going to that." I forgot who it was.
Yeah, I remember the group chat. Never mind, I remember in the group chat.
I was like,
something about a wedding.
And then you asked me if I was coming to the wedding. I was like, I'm down.
Yeah, bro. It's nowhere, that's why.
Which is over there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nah.
Good as you start gapping, I'm gonna just hit the brakes. We'll be like,
Nah, bro. Maybe you take the gap, bro. No cap.
That happened with, I don't know if you saw that video, the GTR, and I think it was the Audi, the TT.
Yeah.
And they raced, and the GTR went to limp mode, and that's what posted, and the GTR was like, hey, let's get a rerun then, now that I'm good. And the TT was like, nah, I'm good. I ain't trying to do that. And I was like, that's fun.
Oh, yeah? Nah.
That's fun. He was built. He was big turbo and everything.
The GTR?
No, GTR was just full bolt-ons.
No way, bro.
Because GTRs, when they move, bro.
No, yeah, for sure. Just for what's on, that's what I'm saying. Like, even you with your downpipe and you're so quick, bro.
Slow, bro.
Nah, you're...
I'm gas 91. I'm only on map 1.
Yeah? Nah, I'm just stage 2, bro.
I'm map 1. Pump gas.
Once you upgrade it, it should be better. I'm gonna upgrade mine not soon, but hopefully soon.
I'm doing the Alpha 9 turbo kit. So
yeah?
I'll be at like maybe 800 horsepower.
800?
8 to 9.
I'm gonna go one of hopefully Ylr'S hybrid turbo, the IMS 750.
My boy's got a blue RS3. I don't know if you follow him. Forbidden S3. That bitch moves.
Maybe I seen it, bro. But they got like, I know. I think they're more upgraded, bro. I got mine not too long ago, like 3 months ago, 4 months ago, bro. Yeah, so I'm still recent with it, bro. You ready, bro? Yeah. All right, let's go. Let me go get my tongue quick. Yeah, it goes, bro. Hang on, I have to take a leak though, bro. I have to take a leak. So I'm ready. I'm done.
It's like he gave him the hit, like, bro, that was sleep, bro. You didn't even go until he was already gone.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
I know he's going out the whole way, bro, until like the end. I seen it.
It was cool run, though.
You took the death.
¿Qué pegaste allá en
el track?
el speedway?
Mucho gusto, Raúl. Sí, Dylan. A un 11 y algo. 11,
¿Pero 11 qué?
11 punto...
El punto es un... A ver, ¿cuánto es 11?
11 puntos...
¿Bajos o altos?
No,
De 50 para arriba son altos y de 50 para abajo son bajos.
Bajos, un poco bajos.
A ver.
Sí.
Está rápido.
Sí, nomás que ahorita di mucha vuelta.
¿Quieres salir?
Sí, ahorita que estaba dando aquí, no, todos mis dientes no se me agarraban.
O sea, patinó pues.
Sí, patinó pues. Sí.
Creímos que se atrasó nomás.
No, sí se patinó todo.
No soy yo que patinada.
Sí, se patinó un poco. No, arriba andábamos así. Así nomás andábamos. Iba alcanzando, pero ya cuando llegamos más ahí, pues él ya dejó y pues yo también dejé. Sí, andábamos así nomás, yo sentía que iba así, pero... Sí, ya. No, pero fue una buena carrera. Nomás que sí patiné mucho. reduction right here, bro.
Hey, take your hood off real quick too.
2 seconds later.
Sí, se sigue durmiendo.
Este se le está durmiendo.
Sí.
Nomás que cuando vaya a correr digan la línea, mi amigo.
Sí.
Y ya se queda.
Did it look like it's spun out or not? Bro.
I didn't look like it.
It went like this and then it started saying my maximum speed was 100 and shit. Mira, I think I put it in my car. That's right. Otra vez sentí la... Se resbaló otra vez, sí.
No, es que te da un chingo de aire.
¿Tú quieres bajarle un poco? Sí, trepa.
Alright, here my camera basically died, so I decided to lock in, put the PSI down, turn my driver mod on, told myself I'm not playing with these kids no more, turn on the quattro system, locked in and said I gotta beat this GTR, if not I'm a failure, bro. And I just locked in, got in the race, put my head on the track, and out my ass, and boom, man. You know what I'm saying? Watch the video, man. Yeah, man.
The supervisor showed up?
Yeah. One run him, bro.
Yeah, he said I didn't launch as hard, so we didn't need a rematch.
Who, me, you? You know?
Yeah, he said I didn't launch as hard.
He launched softer than he normally does.
Yeah, for me it's usually just a soft tap. That's why it was good that you went first, because if I was too much boost, I loosed it, bro.
We'll fucking wait till like when they film at night. We'll run it.
Yeah, winter's not gonna be lit, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think for now I'm gonna just chill.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna just chill and like build it and then fucking bring it out there.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
What are you just downpipe me too, huh?
Yeah, all I need, I have the injectors, I have to put them in there, and then I need the fuel pump, and then the fucking flex fuel kit, and I can do E.
Yeah.
And then I'll be up FBO.
Yeah, then I won't race you no more.
It'll be a lot more fair.
You know what I'm saying?
It'll be a lot more fair.
He's gonna come out and he'll be like, it's still just downpipe tune only, but now I got boost weather.
And then I'm gonna get a drag pack for the rear.
What do you say? You're gonna do a 1-2. Oh, you just rerun it real quick?
Goodbye.